Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. This video is part of a 10 video series where I show you how to analyze data using pivot tables and charts in Excel. I will start by how to prepare your data, create your first pivot table. I will show you in detail how to customize the table, in detail how to sort, filter and group, everything you need to know to manage the source data, move and copy your tables, how you can use interactive pivot charts, slicers and timelines to visualize your data, how to put everything together in an interactive dashboard, and last but not least, how to save your dashboard, pivot tables and charts as templates and reuse them again. There will be times when you want to create different reports. One pivot table might not contain all the report data you need. Instead of creating new pivot tables, you can easily copy the pivot table and paste it in the Excel worksheet. Select within the table. Press Ctrl A to select the whole table. Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste it wherever you want. In some older versions of Excel, Ctrl A will not work since it will not include the filter in the table. In this case, you can go to Pivot Table Analyze tab under the Actions section, click on Select and choose the entire table. Then you can copy and paste. The new pivot table will be independent from the first one, meaning if you change the fields in the field area, only the new table will be affected, but both will have the same raw data. You can have 5 or 10 pivot tables on one sheet. It is important to place them so that they will not overlap. The best way to manage that is to leave space between the tables. For every table you insert, consider the maximum amount of columns that is needed. In other words, the maximum width of the table. Give in addition 5 empty columns and then place the next table in there. 5 columns as a safety in case you want a detailed report layout. You can always decrease the width of the columns so that you have a better overview of all your tables. If you don't know what the maximum numbers of columns that you need, insert 10 empty columns between the table and the new one. You can use the group feature to group the columns. You can expand the group anytime you want. Since you copied the pivot table, they will all be based on the same source data. When the data updates, so will all the other tables. Check my video on how to manage the source data in the description below. You can add a slicer or a timeline and connect it to multiple pivot tables. Go to Report Connections under the Slicer tab and check the box next to both tables. If you simply want to move the pivot table to a new location, select the entire table, go to Actions, move the pivot table and choose your new location. I hope you found what you were looking for in this tutorial. If yes, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. Check out other Excel video tutorials by Swag Academy in this playlist. Thanks for watching.